you from?
Wisconsin.
You from Wisconsin?
Yeah.
You got a Valentine?
Do I got a Valentine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
A lot of people has seen my riz happen and work in mysterious ways. So my class, my riz class is overpopulated right now.
Oh! That joint was too crazy. Like, on God. Like, last vid, I was really trying to put y'all on, like, real talk. I was trying to see how busy I am. And if that's not a word, it's a word now. Word. Last video, I really couldn't do what I could usually do. You know, I couldn't really flex y'all. I couldn't do my thing. Like, word. So that's why we're in monkey. Oh! You already know the vibes. It's road to 1.31. Run it up. And if you haven't watched the last video, something's wrong with you. Get off the floor because you tripping.
Will you keep quiet?
Hey, what's up, dude? Judy?
Yeah. How come y'all got Samsungs? Oh! Why y'all quality so bad?
Because we're on a computer. We're on a computer. Calm down.
What y'all got?
HP.
Oh!
Baby,
Hey, you gotta, when you speak, you gotta use words, brother.
Wait a damn minute.
Huh? No, like, use words, you know what I'm saying? Like, use English words.
Why would I take advice from niggas wearing 2 different color jacket, bro?
In the arms of the angel.
But can you put me on with your sister, though? I need a Valentine.
Oh! Yeah, I got you. That's cool.
Hey, that's cool. You got me? Oh, yeah.
No problem. No problem.
What's her, like, IG or whatever?
You want to know what her type is?
What's her type?
Niggas with not 2 color jackets.
That one there was a violation. Personally, I wouldn't have it.
Oh! Hey, yo. Hey. Oh, shoot. You my new Valentine? What's up with you? Yeah. That joint fake. Oh! Put me on with your sister real quick, brother. Or your mom. Oh! Bro, stop sneezing, bro. Be respectful. Be respectful, brother. Like, real talk. He's laughing at... Oh, he's laughing. You good?
Yeah, it was just a little funny to me.
Oh! You want some water of water from? Fam, you want some water of water? I'm talking to you yet? Hey, if she laugh and giggle. Oh shoot, hey, yo, what's going on? Oh! Huh?
Are you gay?
I think he saw that.
I saw everything.
Oh, he's sexy.
Who is me? I ain't know that. Where you from though? Where you from though?
Atlanta.
Wait, how old is you?
16.
What?
16.
Oh my god.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
That's the end of the video. What's up with these apps and these guys, bro? Like, hella guys in this joint, real talk. And it's getting me sad. Like, I'm really sad because of that. Like, well, where's my females at? But yeah, hey, that's the end of the video. You feel me? If you want me to be more a monkey or whatever, just let me know. I'm gonna show y'all the vibes, real talk. But yeah, road to 1.31. You know the vibes already. Let's get it. Let's get it popping in it. Oh yeah, comment down below if you want more of these videos. If not, then I'm gonna go back. back. I mean, of course we're gonna do reactions, but like, if you want more of these, just let me know. Simple.